Hey, what's up, guys? This is a new type of video. It's not a vlog. This is a video on how to change your oil on a rainy day. First, you're gonna need your car. Then, you're gonna need a jack and a jack stand, for safety. Then, the tools you need is one of these and a 17 millimeter or 11/16 and a bucket or something to put the oil in. Then you go under your car. You go under your car and you look for this. This is your oil pan. That's the nut you're gonna have to take off. Okay. Make sure you wear something that you don't really care about, like shitty ass clothes, because it will get dirty. And you see, I'm wearing like this Vato shirt right here, made by Dickies. And shorts. And so far, oh shit, the oil is draining. Shit, oil is draining. I just pulled the plug, and I just ran my car. I just came back from the store from buying the stuff, and it's hot. So the oil will be hot if your car has been running, but if it hasn't, then it'll be nice and cool and easy. Okay, now after all the oil is drained, as you can see right here, all the oil is drained. Make sure you clean up after yourself. It's all clean down there now. That's all you gotta do under the car. Now you just gotta pour the oil in. And it took, what, 5-10 minutes? That's all you gotta do. Now you just gotta pour in the oil. Oh shit, the oil filter. Look at that, something. Okay. Let's go look for the oil filter then. Hold on. And the oil filter, it depends on the kind you get. You could either screw it off with your hand, or you gotta use a tool that are made for oil filters. As you can see, the oil filter for the DC is right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right up here. Right up here. And I'm about to do that right now. Okay. I still need to take the oil filter out. I have the new oil filter right here. New oil filter. I just wanted to get it ready so when I take the old one out and all that oil comes out of there, I can just replace it. But you could do it however you were taught or anything. You could do it the way I do it. But getting the new oil filter ready, usually you lube this O-ring right here with oil, and then you pour just a little bit of oil in there, and then you screw it on. But yeah, I'll show you the oil filter. Here, for those of you who don't know how to read a dipstick, like the oil is full if it's in between these two dots. Here, I'll show you. So I put oil in. I just put oil in, and as you can see it, the oil. I am right in between, in the middle, in the middle, a little over. A little over is good, kinda. But in the middle, over. And yeah, that's what you're looking for. Okay. Now, after you got the oil, and you got the old oil filter out, now you can drop your car. Now comes the easy part. You get a funnel, all types, and fill it up with oil. And then every car has the amount they're supposed to put on. Like, some cars may take 4 quarts, some cars may take 4.5 quarts, some cars may take 5, 6. You know, it all depends on the size of the motor and how big the car is, I guess. But you should refer to your owner's manual for that, or just go find a mechanic and ask him. And I'm using Mobile Super 5000 5W30. That's it for this how to change oil on a rainy day